Hello my friends, another video in English today. Like you see on the topic of this video, I will do small bowls, very small. The board which I have at my hands, it's a Polish type of Polish ash, I think the name of the species. Oh, you see, I forgot about this clap, and I saw some dust, some chips from the planer. And the next machine I use thicknesser. Of course you don't have use these machines, but it will be easier if you have prepared board. It will be easier and for sure faster way to work with prepared material like this. And yes, the grain are really awesome for me. I think it's the one of the favorite species for me. Very hard, very beautiful, really good one. Okay, so now two cuts, just get square boards, and that's it. Yes, it's really looks really good. Of course, the wood is dry. It's maybe 8, 9, maybe 10%. So it's really dry. And now caliper, and just to draw a circle. And the same situation. If you don't have a pencil or any scroll saw, of course you can put a square piece of wood on the lathe and do all the one machine. Yes, my new clothes. My wife said that she I must leave all the chips in the workshop, because every time when I work on the lathe, I bring a lot of dust and a lot of chips on my clothes. So she bought this jacket for me, and now of course I use the glue block just to stick this piece, just to avoid the clamping area. And now the scraper in my hand. And skew chisel, it's not needed. I was just curious how it's work. It's still sharp or dull. But actually I use for bowls just two chisels, one scraper, and it's I think I need to record another video about this this scraper and another next chisel which I will use. Yes, and lathe and is the best tool for slow motion recording. And on my head you see special mask. For sure I want to keep my eyes safe, and I want to see my work all the time. so that's why I'm using this kind of full face mask. Yes, and the script and this scraper now at work, really amazing tool. Is stay sharp forever, and is very unique tool. You can work with this chisel all the time in all position, so it's really easy to use tool. Okay, and now I'm trying to just to check if this spike area on this chisel is work in this position too. Yes, it's work. But now you see I'm using second chisel, and this one is really cool too. It's amazing fast tool to remove this all hardwood. Yes, and another slow-mo video. A lot of chips is flying everywhere. Even if I have turn on the dust extractor, you cannot collect all these chips. Yes, it's looks really cool. And this chisel with the carbide blade is very good for work from outside area to the center and opposite direction. You can work like you want. Okay, and the scraper just to remove the middle area, and it's the best tool for me to make flat the bottom of the bowl. Of course, if you move your hand very slow, you will get great surface. You don't need sand too much. And for sure, for me, the small bowl like this, it's about 20 centimeters. So I even love bowls with very thick edges. And now the sanding, I'm using 240 and even 600 grit paper. It's with bearing, so it's rotating, no marks at all. Really good, really great tool, and it will be used. The bowls will be used in the kitchen. So you see the olive oil. It's really good for all stuff for the kitchen, because it's full natural. And now it was close to accident, because now I'm splitting the bowl from the glue block, and check this out, 3 centimeters from my leg, the chisel, yeah, quite sharp. And now the second bowl, you see the splitting of these two pieces is not very difficult. The glue which I use, it was title bound thick version, so you can split it very easily. But be careful on the flying chisels in your workshop. Okay, and now the bottom area, you can use just a sander, but if we want do and finish whole work on the lathe, so I'm using scraper again, and I'm checking that the bottom is flat or not, because I hate the wobbling dishes on the table, and it's nearly ready. Just sanding of area on the edges, and it's ready. And the best part of work, when you're putting oil and when you see the grains, yes, it's ready. So I did 4 bowls, I don't know, maybe 1 hour of work, and now I'm really sure that it's a lot of work for me to learn more and practice more, but I'm really proud of it. Okay, here it is, end of movie. Did you see the mark from the spike on the bottom? Yes, it's my mistake. I know that must avoid this next time. Thank you very much for your watching, for your time. If you have any advice for me, I will be really grateful. And if you like this video, please thumb up and subscribe a channel, maybe push the bell. Okay, thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.